Hello, hello, hello. Our new topic is angles. Year 7 recovery maths topic, angles. We're only doing this in 2 weeks, so we moved pretty quickly through it. Now you see behind me, I've got this poster, and that's from Eye Shield 21. It's a story about a Japanese high school student named Sena Kobayakawa, and he's really, really quick. He's forced to join his high school's American football team. It's a really good comic. I recommend it. Good manga. It got turned into an anime, and so every topic it's going to get its own poster. So for lessons for the next 2 weeks, that's going to be up. And then new topic, new poster. All right. So what we're going to go through here is we've got one note here. It's the same booklet that you've got. And we're just going to go through this together, and I'm going to write stuff down, and you can copy it down. And every so often, I'm going to pause and just let you do work for a bit. So we'll pause, let you have a go at the questions, then I'll give you the answers. So this video will give you the answers to everything here, and we're going to move quickly. There's a lot of pages to cover, but you have seen a lot of this before, so I don't think it's going to blow your mind. So angles, there we go. Vocabulary, skip it. What is an angle? An angle is the amount of turn between two straight lines. So we've got a straight line here, straight line here. They meet here, and we call that the vertex. Should put that there. So let's draw this, and purple. Our vertex is where those lines meet, right there. So those two straight lines, they meet. And an example of angles are on the clock face here. We've got two straight lines, and there's our angle, and they meet right in the center, the vertex there. All right, next one here. And they've got some names here. They're a bit hard to read, so I'll just write it neatly. That's an arm. That's an arm. So these are the two arms. And the two arms meet at the vertex, and that's our angle there in the middle. All right, keep on going. This page, we're going to skip it. We can come back to that later if we get time. So I want you to have a go here and label this one. I'm going to do the top one. You're going to do the bottom one. So what we have, the vertex is where they meet. Where what meet? That arm, and that is our angle. So we're going to be talking about our angle in between the two arms. Okay, so pause the video here and have a go at that one, and I'm going to pause too, do the answers. And here are your answers. Angle here, arm, and the vertex. Hopefully you got that. So you can pause if you want, but I'm going to scroll down, keep on moving. So now we go into some types of angles. So right angle, 90 degrees. So that's when, like, this is the ground, that's the wall going straight up. That's a right angle. That's a right angle. Now, sometimes it could be on its side like this. Oh, sorry, you can't see. There we go. It can be on its side, but still a right angle, like here. Acute angle, less than 90. So between 0 and 90. So if it's 1 degrees, it's acute. If it's 89 degrees, it's acute. Anything in between. And that's what they look like. Range here. Obtuse angle, bigger than 90 degrees, but less than 180. So it's not, so it goes from, we'll go here. That's 90 degrees. That's 180, a straight angle, fully flat. It's in between the two. So it's maybe not quite a straight angle. That's a way to think about it. It's not quite a straight angle, but it's almost there. It's almost there. Straight angle. Hard to see purple on purple there, so let's change that color to red. Still hard to see. Blue. That's a bit better. And last one, the straight angle, exactly 180. Exactly 180. So those are the 4 angle types. So look at these different angles. Here's what I want you to write down here. Right angle is exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle is something than a right angle. Yeah, it's more than a right angle. So put that there. And acute angle, green, less than a right angle. So write those in. Now I want you to have a go now at labeling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the next page is, now we'll just do the first 6, then give you the answers, and then we'll do the other page. So pause this now. I'm going to pause too. And here are the answers there. So 3 of them were obtuse, 2 were acute, and 1 was a right angle. And that's it. So pause if you want to, but I'm scrolling down. All right, so I want you to have a go at these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Same thing. Labeling, labeling, labeling. Pause the video. I'll pause too. And here we go. All your answers. 2 right angles, 4 obtuse, 3 acute. Pause here if you want to hold the answers. I'm scrolling down. Scrolling, scrolling, scrolling. Oh, this one. Super hard. Oh my God, it's a challenge. So right angles in blue. That one, there's so many right angles already. Like, it's just crazy how many right angles there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I could have missed. Oh, I could have missed them on the angle there, but I don't want to call it 90 if it's not exactly 90. And then they just keep coming. So all these right angles. 1, 2. Look at this. It's just crazy. So I get a bit shortcut there. I just do that to show 2 right angles. And on the side here, and here, and here, and here. Oh, and missed all of those ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of those ones. So many. And these ones. So many right angles. So many right angles. That'll do. But then, obtuse angles in red. So angles bigger than 90. You can, any ones you see, just, oh, that's an obtuse one. That one is just obtuse. Only just, but yeah. Another one there, you could label that one obtuse. There's so many. There's too many angles in this picture. It's overwhelming how many angles there are. 1, 2, you get the idea. Just a few of them. And then acute, find any acute ones you can. Any acute ones. I don't know, like, oh, a little one there. No, that one there. Those 2 both acute. Those 2 both acute. Cute, 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 cute. Oh, careful. Those ones. You get the idea. So many angles there. And if you want to keep going, you can. Notice here the last one I did, that acute and that obtuse, add up to the straight angle. Okay, moving on. More types of angles. So now I should have turned this one. I turned the other ones. I forgot to turn this one. So instead, you're going to have to turn your head. Reflex angle is bigger than 180, but less than 360. So you've got a 200-degree one and a 305 on there. So let's just draw some. Make your own poster. Let's just draw some. If I draw it there, it's going to be, that is a reflex angle because it's bigger than 180. It's bigger than 180. Like here. Oh, a little bit. Should have the line straight. That's a reflex angle. Now, if I went like this and this, you think that's not a reflex angle? That's the reflex angle. There it is. It's the other side. So that's reflex. All right, so acute, right, obtuse, straight, reflex, and then a full rotation, 360. So I'm just going to pause the video here again, get these videos. Hey, so I just watched those videos. They're really boring. They're just the same thing. So if I show them to you, you just fall asleep. So let's just keep going. Try these on your own. I want you to identify these ones as acute, right, obtuse, straight, or reflex. So there's a few of those you've already done. We've already got these ones. We've already got the acute ones. We've already got the right ones. We've already got the obtuse. But those new ones are the straight and the reflex. So those are the new ones. And I want you to have a go at that page, and then I'm going to give you the answers. So pause the video. I'll pause this. And here are the answers. So there's some of each of them. I put the acute ones in green, obtuse in orange, right angles in blue, same as before. But then I got the new ones, the straight angles in purple, and the reflex ones in pink. So a big mix there. Big hint for the right angle where I've drawn the arrows. If you have a little square there, I forgot to say this earlier, that means 90 degrees. Even if they, like if they draw something badly, they go like, oh, you know, I've drawn it like this. And they put a little, if they put that square there, if they put that square, it means it's 90, no matter how badly it's drawn. Square means 90. You go like, oh, they draw, you know, that's not 90, but they put the square there, it's 90. So it's a meaningful symbol. So I'm going to scroll down. So you can pause here if you want to hold up. And, I need, strange, you're missing the bottom. Interesting. I can see it on my screen, but you can't on yours. Interesting. So that's the bottom three. All right, here we go. Last ones. Now, this is the last one. It's a challenge. We don't have any pictures anymore. We just have to look at the numbers. So you have to say, I'll give you a little of a key to help you out, but 0 to 90 is acute. So let's do that up here. So acute. Oh, no, I used green, didn't I? Acute. 0. Oh, but it's less, sorry, between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So it has to be between them. Like a 0 degree angle, that's not acute. A 90 degree angle is not acute. Has to be between those two. Acute. Oh, that didn't work. Go to blue. There we go. The right angle, the next one, is exactly 90 degrees. Exactly 90 degrees. Next one, obtuse, is between 90 and 180. If it's exactly 180, it's a straight angle. But if the last one, I can't, what color did I use for it? What color? It was the reflex ones. I'm going to have to scroll up. Pink, got it. Was the reflex. So reflex is between 180 and 360. So now if they ask what a revolution is, like if they ask for what type of angle is 360 degrees. 360 degrees is a revolution. Oh, running out of colors. Black, blue, multicolor. Maybe go multicolor. Multicolor for the special one. Here it is. Galaxy pen, I think it's called. So revolution is 360 degrees. So 360. All right, I want you to have a go. So like for the first one, all you have to do, what type of angle is 30? Well, that's between 0 and 90, so that's acute. All right, I want you to have a go at 2 through 10, and that's it. You pause, I pause. And here are the answers. Here are the answers. There was a revolution one. I'm glad I told you that one. Down the bottom, number 9 was a revolution, 360. Hey, that's the first lesson. Maybe you already knew this stuff already. That's fine. This topic doesn't have really any challenging stuff, I don't think. It'd be a little bit hard. Okay, that's the lesson. Well done.